Okay, we're losing daylight, so I'm gonna rapid fire show everything that I'm growing this year because I'm starting winter sowing tomorrow. So we're gonna start with what is this? Okay, large red cherry tomato, necessary. The Marglobe. If you watched my videos last year, you know this was one of my favorites. We're trying the Amish paste, the Brandywine black, the orange currant, the Paul Robeson, the mushroom basket, so excited for that one, and then basil, of course, just the classic Genovese basil, dark purple opal basil, also grew that last year, beautiful, love it. I'm gonna try and grow guajillos. They failed last year, so I'm trying again. Jalapenos, of course. Serranos, probably just one. I always go nuts with serranos. Mulatto, chile tepin, cia bajillo, chile de árbol, and cayenne. Oh, and then also habanero, maybe. And then for flowers, well, I put this with the flowers, but I know it's an herb. Chamomile, black-eyed Susan, love this one. Crackerjack marigolds, eucalyptus. I don't know if I need to start this sooner. Oh well. The Zohar sunflower, red strawflower, pink strawflower, zeolites calendula, my black-eyed Susan, my favorite flower ever, queen red lime zinnia, the senora zinnia, and for the rest of the vegetables, we're gonna try purple carrots, gray zucchini, which I'm very excited for, Jacob's cattle bush bean, and then these are greens that I'm gonna try to grow. I say try because I'm really not good at growing greens, herbs, anything in the lettuce, kale, you know. So we have some kale, lettuce, and then spinach. So wish me luck on those, and that's everything I'm gonna be winter sowing. Most of the things I'm gonna be winter sowing, except for the direct sow things like zucchini, the greens, the sunflowers, you know, stuff like that.